Anyway, Hannah.
Hello.
Hello. Now, your father has been very, very generous for your birthday.
Yes, he has.
And he said he's going to pay for all your driving lessons. However many it takes, he said. Sorry to interrupt, but if you're learning to drive, you need to become a member and get access to a Learn to Drive course. Absolutely comprehensive videos. Small fee each month. Videos added all the time. Learn to Drive just using our videos. At last, we're going to learn to drive.
Yay.
What we're going to do is go somewhere very quiet because I don't want cars and clutter and people and other road users. I just want you to basically learn to, today, just get a feel for the machine. Do you think it's going to be perfect on the first attempt?
Yep, it's me.
You do?
Yes.
Well, I've got news for you. It probably isn't. So therefore, don't start beating yourself up if it's not perfect on the first go.
Okay.
It can be
emotional.
It can be emotional. It can be a bit stressful though to drive, but at the end of the day,
Oh,
I'm not.
yeah, lights down.
Yeah. End of the day, I've got to, well, my biggest responsibility is providing a risk-free as possible environment for my students. Because I'm in the car as well, so I've kind of bought into the idea of staying safe. So you're going to learn through making mistakes. And you're going to stop with them.
Seatbelt comes first.
Well, that's very good, actually, Hannah. That's what we're going to talk about. Is first of all, even before we start the car, we're going to set up the car safely and legally. Have you done the cockpit drill in your theory test?
What's that?
Setting up the car safely and legally even before you turn it on. There's 5 things you need to check or change. Give me 5 letters.
Seatbelt.
Okay, I'm going to give you 5 letters.
Oh,
very
sorry,
good.
sorry.
D, S, S, S. 3 S's and an M. D stands for check or change. Don't overthink it.
Give me a minute. Can I just go for the other ones I know?
Go on then.
Seatbelt.
Yes.
Mirrors.
Yes, that's M.
Yep. I'm doing it as well.
Yeah, I'm doing that as well.
D.
Yeah.
Driving wheel. No, that's
Yeah,
steering.
close.
Steering wheel.
Steering wheel's one on there. Yeah.
No, that's normal.
That's a handbrake.
Neutral.
No, there's no N in it.
Oh yeah.
How do we get in and out of the car? What do we just
Door.
talk about? Yes, make sure the
Check the
doors are.
doors.
Make sure the
Oh,
doors
yes.
are shut.
What's last S?
When you do get out, don't. I know you're being. It's kind to leave it open for someone, but they might change their mind.
Yeah,
You're leaving the
fair
door
enough.
wide open. Shut it. Then let the other person
Yeah.
decide to open it when they want to open it.
Okay.
Make sure the doors are shut. And there's another S.
What's the next letter?
You missed the obvious one. S. Got one more S to go.
Yeah, what's the next letter?
S.
Oh, it's just
S.
there's
Yes.
a double S at
Yes.
the beginning
Do
of
you know what the
letter.
pedals are down here?
Pebbles.
Pedals. Do you know what the pedals are?
Go.
No.
Start.
Yeah. No.
Acceleration.
Accelerator's good.
Is that this one?
Yeah. How are you going to reach the pedals? What are you going to move with an S?
Seat.
Oh, there we
That's
go.
not, I said second letter. You said S. So that means SS.
Yes. Right.
Wait, actually.
Down there,
How
you-
close should I be to it?
Well, that's a very good question, isn't it? I'll go for the pedals. On the right is the accelerator.
What does that mean?
Accelerator.
When do I press it?
That puts power into the engine.
So I press it all the time?
Not all the time. We're going to come on to that. The
Sorry.
middle pedal
Brake.
is the brake, and the left one is called the clutch. Oh, hello. Very exciting. Let's say that word. So what you want, that needs to be fully down to change gear. So put your leg fully down on that left leg, down on that clutch.
All the way.
All the way down as far as it goes. Does it feel like you're reaching for it a bit?
I'm on my.
Yeah, so you're reaching it. So you need to bring your seat. So you're not as tall as you think you are. Huh? I'm taller than you.
That feels quite.
Put the clutch down then.
It
fully.
is.
Yeah, it's about 45-degree bend in your leg. Got that?
45 degree is this, Dad?
No, forwards that way. 45 degree that way. All right.
So
100. Okay, 135-degree bend
Yeah.
in your leg if you want to be all mathematical about
Oh
it.
yeah, because that's not 45 degree, is it?
It needs to go that way.
Well, 45 from.
You've been pedantic.
No, I'm
That,
just being.
okay, 135 degree.
I'm trying to figure out what you're trying to say.
No one in 8 years has picked up on me saying 45 degrees.
He
apart
should have done.
from when you got in the car. Oh Lord. Okay. Now the seat
10 and
also
2.
goes. The seat goes. Very good. The seat also goes. Well, it's called to 3. I prefer. Whatever's comfortable. The seat also goes up and down as well.
Quarter to 3.
Are you, huh?
That's 2:45.
Yeah.
Is that what you like?
Yeah. I prefer there because it's wider. You got more control over it.
Do you not do that?
No, you don't do that. Seat goes up and down as well.
Really? How?
Yep. You got a handle down where there, so you can push it down or pull it up.
Nothing's happening.
No, that's a different seat. There's another handle slightly forward than that. Push it.
I'm not pushing anything.
There's 2 handles. Have a
Oh.
look. Yes. Well, okay, that one goes. Okay, that was the handle.
That's-
And we got to reset it again now.
135 degrees.
Oh, there you go.
Wait.
You're right there. What did you do in your lesson today? Wow! I learned how the seat works. There we go, that looks good.
That feels like 135 degrees to me.
It looks like 135 degrees to me, or 45 to always be to me. Okay, the seat goes up and down as well, Hannah.
I don't believe...
On the right. You don't believe me. Yes,
Look.
lever, put it up, it goes up.
I did that and nothing
Yeah,
happened.
it is, going up. There you go. Oh, look, you're going up.
I was just tightening my seatbelt.
No, it's because that's why I put the seatbelt
Is
on
that
last.
if you're short?
If you're short, you'd put the seat up, perhaps. And the seat also angles back as well.
How do I do that?
Well, you've got a handle on the side, on where the join of the seat is.
Ooh! Well, that's not right.
Okay, get very comfortable. You're right there. Okay there.
Oh, I'm so scared. Okay, right. This feels like...
Does it feel
that
comfortable?
feels a bit... No.
That's fine.
No, I'm too far
Okay,
away.
a bit far away now. Okay. Oh, there you go. Oh, okay, going forwards. Sure, that's all right. You're not too close. I think you're a bit close now.
Yeah, but look, I'm nearly at 180 degrees.
That is not 180 degrees, Hannah. 180 degrees with a straight leg.
100. Yeah, that's
You're
not
not,
my...
you've not got a straight leg. If that's straight...
Yes, I know. I'm just saying when I bend my knee.
Yes.
This is in...
Yeah, so we can move this.
How?
Okay, little switch down here. Push that down there. Down.
Push or pull?
Pull down, pull it down. There we go.
Ow.
Now we can put it up a bit. Push it forward a bit. Or out. Or towards you.
Oh, now what?
I'll lock it in position for you.
For me.
You okay with that? Yeah, lock it up. No, down. There it is.
Help me.
Okay, hang on. There we go. No, that's it. There we are. Brilliant.
Oh, I feel wrong.
Now something else on the seat.
I don't like this.
Oh, okay. Are you happy?
I'm ready.
So that's why I put the seatbelt on afterwards, the last one, because once you adjust it, then you can put the seatbelt on. It's more comfortable. You say, "Oh, it's getting me tightening me up."
Oh, thank
Because
you.
you
I was
put it on, then
exaggerating.
you
It's actually
a
fine.
bit dramatic effect. Okay, that's the seat sorted out. Seatbelt, steering wheel's been sorted out,
Ew. No.
and seatbelt and
What would
steering wheel.
happen? I'm not going to.
No,
What would happen right now if I just pressed the accelerator?
nothing because the engine's not on.
If I had the engine on and I just did that?
There's a lot of
Would I
rev.
just go there?
No,
Oh.
because this
Oh.
is what gears are about.
Okay.
You know how a bicycle works.
I was never allowed gears.
What do you mean you weren't allowed gears?
I didn't get gears. I don't think I did.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. The boys did. I didn't get a gear. I was stuck on my pink bike.
You did. Oh, that's
No,
true.
I have a pink bike with
Yeah.
a little basket
You
for
saw-
ages. I never leveled up to a gear.
We didn't take stabilisers off either, did we?
Yes, don't do that. Don't try and say that to them. No, you did. I had them off when I was like 4. I remember distinctly the moment. I was in the... Not the point. Yes. I'm ready.
Okay. See, the car is set up safely. Okay. Now, what about these mirrors? I need to set these up as well.
I don't really like this. Okay, anyway.
We got a centre mirror. Going back again, are we?
Oh, yeah.
Got a centre mirror.
Hello. Oh,
No.
sorry. Cut this out. I'm hating myself. Okay, say it again.
Nothing's been cut out, Heather.
No, yes it is.
Warts and alls.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
My hair's a mess.
Okay.
That sentiment was for just to tell you.
Yeah, nice problem.
Disclaimer, I've just been at dance.
So we're going to skip over all the setting up the car and the controls. If you want to learn that, what you need to do is subscribe to our Drive course. It's just a little subscription, £5.99. All the lessons, the drive overs, everything you see here is fully explained with full lessons for you to help you learning to drive. We're going to learn to move off.
Okay.
What is the cheerleader wave?
Pom-poms.
Pom-poms, that's it. Hello. Pom-poms. It's an acronym. Prepare, observe and move. And we're going to move off now. You're going to do it with me.
I'm prepared.
Yeah. Now what you're going to do is put the clutch down, which is your left foot,
Only that one?
and put it into first gear. Brilliant. Now, you're going to ease off that clutch until you hear the engine note change. And when it changes, you've taken just enough engine.
Is that right?
Yeah, that's the biting point you found. It's just enough engine power to engage the wheel. So if you're on a hill now,
Yeah.
you wouldn't be rolling backwards and you wouldn't be going forwards. Effectively, you're doing a hill start from your very first move off. Now, that's the car prepared. Now, what we need to do then is check back from the blind spot all the way round, and then when we've checked it all, we can go. But as you're looking round, we've got to move off. Now, there's 3 things we've got to do. We've got to indicate that we're moving off to the right. The indicator's there, so it's up for right. No, don't turn on. Let's turn the lights on. That's fine. It's up, literally up. Hannah. The way the steering wheel will go. That's it. And down would be
Nothing.
left.
Oh,
The way you'd steer it that way. Yeah, go back to neutral.
Oh,
So,
I see.
yeah. So
Sorry.
when we're ready to go.
Sorry.
Okay. When we're ready to.
Wait, help me.
So.
I can't get it.
No. Good, you make a very good point. Just go back to neutral for a second. This indicator is, if you put it down firmly, it stays on forever until the steering wheel turns it off. It stays on and there. But if you slightly touch it, it stays on for 3 clicks. It's for changing lanes on things like dual carriageways.
Okay.
So if I was coming across right, and you want it on temporarily to let people know, you just tap it. Now, when you start off, no disrespect, and everybody's the same, everyone's a little bit, haven't got the coordination, a bit sausage fingered about it, and then turn it off, snap, and slightly knock it up. Oh, it's still on. Oh, it just doesn't turn. Just leave it alone in the middle, and it'll turn itself off. So just be aware, if you overdo it, it will stand for 3 or more clicks in the wrong direction.
Can wait a minute. The only thing is
They're on their side. Whose side of the road are they on?
Their side of the
So
road,
why does it concern you?
I just don't trust what I can.
No, well, I'm there to stop you doing stuff.
Okay, but if I start to.
If you stopped every time a car came along, we'd never go anywhere. It's not Squid Game. It's not.
What?
Well, you see a car, you have to freeze. And
Oh right, okay, I get what you mean. I was going to say like, what have you been watching?
Green light, red light. Squid Game.
Red light.
Right then, so let's get the car prepared again. Clutch down first gear, find the biting point.
Oh wait, what's your clutch?
Left one. First gear. Come and find the biting point. So just ease it back. There we go. You see the engine just slightly twitches, gives you a bit of extra gas. That's the bite. The car is prepared.
Okay.
So what you're going to do, you're going to look round. You've got 3 things to do. You're going to have to indicate. Remember that 2000 gas I asked you about?
Yep.
Set that and then take the handbrake off that we've done already.
Gas. Oh, get it to 200. Wait, so come up or come
Yeah.
down?
So get away.
Wait, do I come up or come down?
For what?
To get to 200. Oh, is that
2000.
Is that
Yes, we just done it, you see.
Left or right foot?
That's right foot, yeah.
Okay. Do it now?
Yeah, you can do it
Wait,
now.
so indicate first.
Yeah, a quick look round, make sure it's
I've
okay.
had a good look.
Happy? Okay, indicate them.
Is that, so I do a hard one? A hard one?
No, a proper one, yeah, so it stays on there, putting the lights on, nice and neat.
Oh.
Set the gas. 2000 revs.
2000.
Yeah. Handbrake off whilst you keep your feet steady. Now look over your shoulder, is it clear over your shoulder? Put your handbrake off properly,
I
Hannah.
think it's into it.
So your right foot off a bit, Hannah. Right foot off, you're
Oh,
going
right
faster
foot.
and faster.
Hang on, sorry, say 2 things.
So 2003, so got the left foot, set your right foot. Set your right foot at 2000. That's that. Freeze those feet. Handbrake off. That's it. Up, squeezing. No, down, the stretching. Okay, but no, up.
Wait, stop. Help me. Oh.
Okay, now. What you gonna do?
You said up and freeze, and I up
squeeze,
and freeze. Wait, squeeze.
down.
He says freeze.
I said squeeze.
Well, enunciate better, because I'm. You said up and squeeze, and I was like, I'm squeezing.
Okay, right, start again.
So wait, so what, I don't understand what this handbrake does.
Okay, I'll put it on again. Okay,
Just
it holds
stop.
the brake steady.
Yeah, no,
and you can't move off, so you're going to move off, so you don't need the handbrake anymore.
Yeah, no, I understand that. I mean, like, what do I have to do?
Slightly lift it up.
Yeah.
Squeeze the button.
So up, then squeeze. Not
and
squeeze
down, and the light goes
Wait,
off.
can we just do this a second?
Yeah, up. No, but you have to squeeze it in.
You said up, then squeeze.
As you squeeze it as you bring it up.
Yeah, you didn't do
Okay,
that a
up and
second ago.
squeeze. And down. No, and hold on to the button.
Hold
on. It's a ratchet. There you go, and the
So
CDP
it needs to be
light
like this to go.
Yeah.
And this means just it's fine.
Yeah. But you might want it a bit tighter, it might roll backwards, you see, so.
In the hill.
On the
So
hill,
that would be
yeah.
in the
Yeah,
hill.
it'll be fine at the hill, yeah. That's
So I
it.
need to do that to go.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do it again then.
Okay, put the handbrake back on then.
Handbrake on. Oh, to normal.
Yep, okay. You can use the click if you want to. Right, clutch down first gear, find the biting point.
Clutch down first. Gear 1.
Okay, find the biting point.
Find the pointing.
Handbrake off. Set the gas. Have a quick look round. And happy there, signal, indicate right. Handbrake's off. Okay, there we go. Happy with what you see? Look over your mirror, still free, still over your shoulder.
Yes, I've looked.
Happy? Okay, then left, a little bit more power, just drop the power to 2000.
I didn't start yet.
Okay, hold it there. Now your left foot, slightly bring it off.
Wait,
Now stop here, there's a car coming, look. So you have to hold it there for the moment.
Where's the car?
In your mirror, you have a look. Look, behind you.
Hello, I can see him.
It's gone around there, yeah. So have a quick look round again. Looking round, indicates on. Okay, ease off the left foot, ease it off a millimetre at a time. Left foot.
I am.
Okay, a bit more, that means you weren't quite at the bite. Over your shoulder. Oh, okay, you stalled, never mind. Now we're going to skip over this bit. It's 20 minutes of roadside chat all about the hazard routine and how to do it and the sequence of it. If you want to know about this, then you need to subscribe to our R-Drive School of Motoring Drive with our Drive videos. It's all explained, loads of videos. You can learn to drive just using our videos, and a great accompaniment if you're learning to drive with parents or with somebody who's not a driving instructor. Just $5.99 per month. Got the right? Brilliant. Handbrake off. A quick look round. Signal.
Oh, sorry.
Signal, over your shoulder, it's clear. So left foot, ease it back. 3.
Sorry, my bad, my bad, my bad.
Okay, put the clutch down, restart.
Clutch down, restart.
Put the clutch down, little restart. There we go, come to the biting point again.
Oh, we're going backwards.
Right, a little bit of gas.
Oh, gas. Sorry, I forgot about the gas. Let's stop. Sorry, it's
Stop
stalling.
there.
Oh, wait, why are we still going? Oh, you're driving.
Because no, I'm not driving. You got the base speed. You moved.
What's going on? Stop!
Hold the steering wheel.
Stop!
Right, a little bit of gas.
Stop the car!
That's okay. Go for it. It's fine. You wanted the drive.
What do I do with the clutch?
Nothing. You
Why
need to change gear. Just the car is now engaged to the wheels. And turning it around. There we go.
Oh, stop. There's a thing right there going for us.
No, you need to do push wheel steering. So now you're pushing it too much. There we go. Back to there. That's it.
It's upside down.
Yes. It's a steering wheel. Now mirror check. Centre mirror. Left mirror. Signal left. Signal left.
In a minute.
What? No.
I don't want to go yet.
Hannah.
Stop. Where are we going?
We're going back down the road we came.
You have to go around a roundabout for that.
You are going around a roundabout.
Yes, that's what I'm trying to do. So
I know. You do it twice now.
Yeah, I'm trying to go down the
So
street.
mirror check. Centre. Left. Signal left. Signal left. Okay. Straighten her up.
Straighten her up. What's she called? Ooh,
It's called Dacia.
Dacia.
Okay. Now, get rid of the indicator. What we're going to do to get rid of it, that's it. No, remember, just leave it alone in the middle. So you're going to come off the gas pedal, clutch fully down. We go from gear 1 to gear 2. So off the gas, move yourself away from the wheel. Off the gas, clutch down, gear 1 to gear 2.
Oh.
That's it, no, that's 3. 2's bottom left. And these off the clutch, cancel off the clutch. 3, 2, 1 off the clutch. There we go, and steer down there.
Should I put my gas on?
If you want to put a little bit of gas on.
Wait, do I not have to put gas on all the time?
Yes, you do. Well, you need to supply power to the engine.
Can I let go now? Of the gas?
No, you need to be adding power in all the time. It's always been used, isn't it? Move away from there. There we go. So mirror check, centre right, signal right, off the gas pedal. Oops. Off we go. Look, assess, decide. Happy with that? Can we go?
I'm very happy with that.
Okay, off we go then. Going around the roundabout.
Oh, wrong button.
Turning it in.
So I was pressing it away.
Yes, okay, no, okay, it's okay. Don't let go of the steering wheel, Hannah.
I'm not letting go of it.
Okay, let's hold it there. No, you've done. You've set the circle for the car for the circle of the roundabout. So you turn it on. Mirror check, centre. Left, signal left, and down there we go.
Driving safe and sound every single day. Turn the key